So, we finally made it to the board. So, you can see the processor here. If you look in all these little crevices, it's all a bunch of gold in here. Again, you have those very nice big monolithic capacitors that you find on these PlayStation motherboards. Get some nice IC chips. Some gold in the connectors here, HDMI, Ethernet, little hard drive connection, some more gold there, some more gold in here. Overall, quite a bit of valuable stuff. Some more monolithic capacitors here. But like I said, it's working. Do not do anything to this. So that's the teardown and imaginary scrapping of this board. Like I said, if you get one of these, unless it's completely totaled, run over by a car, smashed to bits, do not scrap it. Even if it's not working, it's worth $200 to $300. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, comments, you can check it out below, and I'll try to answer and reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. Hi everyone. So this is part 3 of my I guess what you would call teardown of a PlayStation 3 for scrapping reasons. I've done the motherboard. That's my first video. Just finished uploading the Blu-ray drive, and now we'll look at the power supply, see what's in one of these. So this is one of the 2 models that you'd probably get while opening one of these CECH A01 motherboards. Not many screws, so there's one here, another 2 on the side, another one here in the front, another 2 on the other side. That's pretty much it. So let's take them out and see what's in there. This is actually a working drive, so I'm not going to actually, not a working drive, but a working power supply, so I'm not going to tear it down.